Oh no, oh no. Alright.
Okay guys, wala na pa tayong isa. Nagbatlog nga gamba. Kill him.
Yeah, I killed him. Oh my god, I commit suicide.
Kill him.
Ano?
Get him, close that.
Got him. Where you go?
Is it in?
I don't know. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Good.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Side by Spider System. So, ngayon, pina-request ni Zilong Bait Vlog Spider Hunt. So, ganun gagawin natin ngayon. So, punta muna tayo sa place kasi bago tayo mag-start, supporters shout out muna kay Zilong Bait, kay Duck Lover, tapos Book Nerd. So, pupunta na tayo doon. Cut lang namin. And 1, 2, 3. So guys, nandito na tayo sa place. May nahanap po yung isa. No.
Yan yung sapot niya.
Ito, malaki. Ito siya. Guys. Yan.
Wait. Yarn.
So, kunin mo na yung pitaka. Pitaka. So guys, lalagay lang namin sa pitaka.
Uh-oh.
Why? Lalagay lang namin sa pitaka.
Is there nothing there?
Nothing.
Oh.
Mahaba pa yung galamay.
Grabe, yung laki.
Ang laki niya. Grabe. Red yung galamay.
Wala akong piso na yun eh. So yeah.
Hindi, 5 piso to. Hindi to piso.
Oh, yan oh.
Wait lang. Ay.
It's ano na yan. It's the same size as the box.
Yeah. Now close it. Just gentle and pull the paper.
Yarn. Nasa loob na.
Nasa loob na yung pita. Nasa loob na yung pita ko guys. Magkano po tayo?
Alright. Yan o na naman.
Saan?
Diyan.
Saan?
Wait lang.
Your eyes so... Man.
Yan o. Ay, supot dyan.
Hindi.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Ayan o na naman. Iba naman yata yung klaseng spider na to. Wait
Guys,
lang, pre.
Kakaiba yan. Mataba.
Oo, nakakaiba yan o. Wait lang. Hindi nyo makikita yan. Pero, yan.
Hindi na lang mo. Naisipan mo kung ito dito. Ha?
The next one. Grabe. Iba pala yung nakuha natin rin. Yan o guys. May jackfruit pa naman o.
Gusto nyo ipalaban yung jackfruit?
Ayan o. Guys. Jackfruit o. Sarap naman yan. Nadat jackfruit mo dito eh.
Yun ang sabon.
Darn. Parang abandon naman yung bahay na to. Let's go, Mr. Jean.
Let's go. So guys, lipat tayo ng spot. Goodbye.
Alright. Yeah, we got Jen there and Uncle. My guy. Currently finding spiders still. We're going to the banana place.
Monkey.
My guy's still struggling. Lo.
Did you wash your ass today?
We didn't find anything, only where is that? Out there. Right over there. Manmanok. Alright, we'll keep going. We're going to the Manmanok area, bro. Yep, and damn, bro, look at that. Ew. No poison. That's a hair. Ew. Ew. Oh, yan, isa pang manmanok. Close up, manmanok. Bro. That's manok clear, bro. Yan o, manmanok. Longhorn manmanok, bro. Bro. Oh no. Oh no. Alright.
Alright guys, malalap na tayong isa. Nagbatlog nga gamba. Kill him.
Yeah, I killed him.
Ganun.
Oh my god, just said I commit suicide.
Kill him.
Ano? Up.
Kill him. Close that.
Got him. Where'd he go?
Is it in?
I don't know. Go, go, go. Go, 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 Dean. Go, go, go.
Just
Bro,
kill
you
it.
suck.
Just kill him.
Get on there. Close it, close it, close it.
Ganun gusto mo ha?
Bro, we suck at this. Currently at Quezon Hill.
Sa amin naman na.
Let's go! Banking. So yeah, our buddy here is he gone. His leg's gone. Look at that leg. Zombie walk for real. Currently going home since we couldn't find one. We did find what do you call that? An ABC spider, but Dad lost it. The uncle lost it. Yeah, and he's walking way too fast for his age. Like, dang, son.
So guys, wala tayong nakita kasi kanina. So na-time-lapse tayo. Gabi na. Dito ulit kami sa bahay namin. So try natin maghanap ulit dito kapag may mas malaki na. So let's go! Dito, bababa tayo doon! May dalawang gagamba kasi kami may dalawang sapot kami nakita kanina. So bababa tayo. So, tingnan lang natin mga aso.
Gamitin mo flashlight mo.
And 1, 2, 3. Go check. We can't go to your mom's place, right?
Mm-hmm.
No.
No. So where is it?
Almost there. Just go down there, one over there, and we have it.
Oh, we better make it fast before it starts raining.
Yeah.
Let's check here first. The one that we saw kanina.
Wala siya. Ito. Ay, wala. Let's make it fast. Like Amy.
Mm-hmm.
Let's run.
Hold on.
Let's run.
No.
This is starting to rain.
Careful, Mr. Jean.
Run.
Where's it ba?
Maliit guys, maliit. Maliit siya.
Wait. Up.
May butiki.
Where is the entrance? Up. There it goes again. Sige, ipawalakin natin muna yan.
Okay, let's run.
Why?
It's like raining.
True. Yep, it's starting to rain, guys. So we might cut it short this time.
Malapit na sa amin slide doon.
We're just gonna find the other one if it's there, and if it's not, we're just gonna TP home or teleport home because I'm gonna end up cutting it and we're gonna run. Alright.
Ano guys?
Ayan o.
Nice. Good size, good size. Yan.
Sige, kunin natin.
Of course. And where's the other one? Ayun pa.
Asan?
Ayun, mas maliit to guys. So, mas malaki to.
Wala kami nakita, bro.
Mas malakas yan. Ayun, oh.
Awan, makitak.
Ang liit eh. Masyado siyang maliit para makita.
O, sige,
nila.
sige. Ito na lang.
So, let's get it. So, guys, hold this. So, let's do this. It's like flash.
Literally. It's so light.
So, guys, nakuha na natin. Goods.
The next na pit-pit, no?
Hindi, dito siya. Gagambang kamatayan. So, let's go. Let's teleport home.
Wait. Yung ano na yung flashlight, bro. I-turn off mo man.
Okay, let's teleport.
Bro.
Ngayon, oh guys. Gambang kamatayan.
Alright.
So, bye-bye. Punta muna kami sa home namin. Tapos doon tayo mag-alala. So, bye-bye.
Leave me alone!
Check natin dito. Ayun na guys. Ayun na. Kaso papabayaan natin muna yan.
Wait,
Mukhang-
hindi makikita. Wait lang.
Zoom it.
I'm trying. Wait.
Mukhang mali.
Where is it?
You can see it?
Is it that? That one?
Duh.
That one?
Here.
That one?
Yeah, that one.
Alright. Ang lit.
Maliit pa siya. Black kasi kaya di din makita guys. Papakawalan natin muna yan. Medium size siya, medium. Kaya try natin maghanap ng mas malaki.
Oh, there's a small one here.
You remember the black spider?
And another small one here. Grabe, dalawa sa bridge, oh.
Do you remember the black spider?
No. The one we dropped here, yes.
Yes.
Alright.
Guys, nandito kami. Pause lang namin para maghanap tayo. So guys, nandito tayo sa bahay ko. Mag-try natin hanapin dito sa likod ng bahay.
Si Meow Meow.
Ayun, spot dito. Ayun, maliit.
Oh, wait lang, guys. Bruh, I'll do it.
Ayun, maliit.
Oh, late. Ano, guys, late.
Maliit.
Hintayin na lang muna natin yan. Meron yata pa dyan, pero hindi.
Ayun, yung sapot niya.
Saan? Oh, yan o yung sapot ang late. Ah, yan o.
Yeah, so guys.
Ito.
Where?
Ang laki ng sapot niya, pero ang liit niya.
Gamba.
Okay, pag ipalaki muna natin yan.
So guys, add na natin ito. Kapag na-short kayo, manood lang kayo kay Kadagit. So, shout out kay Kadagit. Salamat po sa pagnonood. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!
Bust a shot that ticket me. One day I'ma kill that beat.
I love I love